Downloading account statements on Trading212 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial records. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trading212 website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, locate the account section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard of the platform. Step 3. Select Statements or Reports. In the Account section, look for an option labeled Statements or Reports. Click on this to view your available statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. Select the time frame for the account statement you wish to download. Options may include monthly, quarterly, or custom date ranges. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired period, look for a download button or link. Click it to download the statement in your preferred format, typically PDF or CSV. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements on Trading212. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.